How to recover call history on your iPhone.
Hello everyone. Today, we'll dive into the world of iPhone data recovery and discover how to retrieve call history from your iPhone. Whether you've accidentally deleted them or lost them due to a software issue, we've got you covered.
Why would you need to recover call history?
Before we delve into the specifics, let's understand why someone might need to retrieve call history. Perhaps you've accidentally deleted an important number, or maybe you're trying to recall a recent call. Whatever the reason, retrieving call logs can be crucial for various reasons.
What are the available options?
There are numerous third-party software solutions that allow you to retrieve call logs from your iPhone. Some of the most popular and reliable ones are Dr.Fone, Data Recovery, iOS, known for its intuitive interface and powerful recovery tools. Dr.Fone is a favorite among many iPhone users. iMobie PhoneRescue. This is another powerful tool that not only helps with call history but can also retrieve other lost data like messages, contacts, and photos. Tenorshare UltData for iOS. With its simple user interface, Tenorshare offers users the ability to recover lost call logs efficiently. Remember, while using third-party tools, always ensure you have a backup of your iPhone's data.
Are there free alternatives?
Yes, before resorting to third-party software, you can check iCloud backups and iTunes backups. 1. iCloud backup. If you regularly back up your iPhone to iCloud, then you can restore your entire phone to an earlier state where the call logs were still present. However, this might cause you to lose any recent data that wasn't backed up. 2. iTunes backup. Similar to iCloud, if you have backed up your iPhone on your computer using iTunes, you can restore it to retrieve your call logs. Bear in mind, restoring from backups can be a lengthy process and may result in loss of recent data. It's always recommended to keep regular backups and consider the implications before restoring. There you have it, folks. Whether you opt for a third-party software solution or choose to go the iCloud or iTunes backup route, there are various ways to retrieve your lost call history. Always remember to back up your data regularly to avoid future data loss. We hope this video has been helpful, and wish you the best in your data recovery journey.